Hi everybody, I'm Holkan. Today I have SOUNDCORE H30i headphones and I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first we have to go into settings and now we have to go into connections. Here we have to go into Bluetooth, and as you can see our Bluetooth is now enabled. We have to disable Bluetooth for a moment, turn off, and now we have to turn off our headphones too. Now we have to wait 10 seconds to 20 seconds. And after this time we have to enable Bluetooth back on and check if we can pair with our device. If we still can't pair with our device, we have to get sure that our headphones are charged. We have to plug our USB Type-C cable, which is plugged into our power brick, to our USB Type-C port in our headphones over here. And after checking, we have to do a hard reset if we still can't connect to our headphones. To know how to do a hard reset, you have to check our video on our channel. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!